What happens to your body when you eat celery every day for a week? When people talk about superfood, celery is often overlooked despite its nutritional and medicinal benefit. Celery is a plant that was cultivated into vegetables over 2000 years ago. The vegetable was frequently used in popular medicines in ancient Egypt and Greece. Celery is a resilient vegetable that naturally grows all over inhabitable countries and many islands across the globe. In the modern era, independent research studies have demonstrated that celery benefits the human body in a powerful way. For example, celery is associated with cancer prevention, pain management, weight loss, PMS relief, mosquito replicants, and reduction of high blood pressure. If an individual were to eat celery every day for an entire week, they would immediately notice thousands benefit to the quality of their overall health. Celery is a water-based vegetable that has enough nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to rival any source of energy drink that is on the market. Celery's ability to replenish the human body after extensive activity in a direct result of high concentration of iron, zinc, magnesium, potassium, calcium and vitamin A, C, E, K, B12 and more. In addition, these powerful vitamins and minerals are directly correlated with forecasting an environment of a cellular repair. People who suffer from joint-related medical conditions like gout or rheumatoid arthritis can gain themselves value from the incorporating celery into their diet. That is because celery demonstrates a remarkable ability to reduce swelling and inflammation in the joints, along with the promoting tissue growth in inflamed areas. In addition, many people do not know that celery is loaded with antioxidant and organic components like flavonoids and coumarin that serve as a cancer-fighting agent. Studies have found that curcumin is an effective component that is capable of filtering out carcinogenous, dangerous free radicals and cells nutritional that can lead to development of cancer. This cancer-fighting agent also assists vitamin C with boosting the immune system and combating various medical ailments that range from the common cold to cardiovascular disease. An amazing fact about the celery is every part of the vegetable has a nutritional and medicinal value. For example, the seed, fruit, stalk and leaves of celery all contain properties that assist with preventing diabetes, urinary tract infection, liver disease, asthma, tuberculosis, dental condition, obesity, gallbladder complications, migraines and much more. Many men and women will be happy to know that celery is associated with increased variety of celery contain androsterone. These chemicals are linked to the release of powerful pheromone signals that attract women to men. Celery is also packed with nutrients that benefit the protest health of a man and their fertility. Many people in our nations also suffer from chronic constipations, and this group of people topically have defined finding relief from taking over-the-counter pills and prescription medicines. Fortunately, celery contains a sufficient amount of fiber and water to assist the digestive system with softening and eliminating compacted stool. Despite its positive benefit, a high intake of celery is not recommended for a woman who are pregnant or breastfeeding. Celery seeds and celery oil have been known to induce premature contraction and to cause miscarriage. In conclusion, it is important to incorporate celery into your diet on a regular basis. Some people have found great success with improving their overall health and losing weight by eating celery every day. An entire week. Celery has proven to be effective for boosting the immune system, hydrating the body and preventing serious illness. Fortunately, celery is easy to find the most grocery stores and it is easy to prepare. Celery can be juiced, consumed as a raw snacks and side dish, or celery can easily integrated into the soup or salad. Regardless the manner in which celery is consumed, the most important thing to remember is always to add celery to your grocery list and try to consume celery in an organic form. Thank you.